Hello, thanks for dropping by. Today we want to show you how simply and inexpensively you can build a multi-blade damper with gears outside all by yourself. All the required parts are engineered and produced in-house by us. We'll also provide you with the assembly plan, of course. First, cut the blades and the frame parts to the required size. Now, insert the bearings into the frame profiles. Next, connect the frame with the corner brackets. Alternatively, you can also make a frame from conventional air duct profiles and inserted sheet metal. To join the parts, we use clinching technology. Of course, you can also join by spot welding or riveting. Next, the end caps are attached to the blades. The contact seals for bearings are inserted from outside. Lay the blades side by side in the frame. Please ensure that the same width notch spacing is always visible on the blades on one side. The gear with the spindle is inserted from the outside through the bearing and into the blade. Make sure that the arrows on the gears are always lined up. After you're done on one side, fix the blades on the other side in the same way. The drive arm is attached to one of the blades. Now hammer in the safety tightening bolts. All spindles are secured with a self-tapping screw. Use 2 screws for the drive arm. The gear at the drive arm is secured with a retaining ring. Now put the stopper into the drive arm. Next, connect the stop bracket to the frame in such a way that the blades are in contact. To seal and stabilize the corners, mount small angle brackets from the outside onto the frame. Finally, seal the internal corners. The damper is ready for use. Naturally, the blades are also available in stainless steel. You can find other variations of build-it-yourself kits for multi-blade dampers, weather-resistant louvers and flexible connectors on our website or on our YouTube channel. Our sales team will be happy to support and advise you. Feel free to contact us.
Kontaktieren Sie uns einfach.